Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making space and entering jiggle mode so you can add a widget. Long press an empty area or any app icon until icons wobble, then tap the plus button at the top left. This opens the widget gallery. You do this because widgets must be placed while in edit mode, and the gallery shows sizes and smart stacks. Once done, you'll be ready to choose the widget type and size that fits your layout. Now pick the widget you want and configure it so it shows useful information. In the gallery, browse categories or type the app name. Swipe through available sizes like 2x2, 4x2, or 4x4 to preview content and density. Tap Add Widget to place the default, then drag it where you want on the home screen. Make sure to release into an aligned grid space so the widget doesn't overlap apps, and consider smart stacks if you want rotating content. Finish by tapping Done to save the layout and verify the widget updates content. If it's a smart stack, long press and choose Edit Stack to reorder or disable suggestions. For most widgets, you can long press and select Edit Widget to change sources. If the widget appears blank or stale, make sure the app has background refresh and necessary permissions, then remove and re-add the widget if needed. This resolves common sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.